Hey, in this video I'll show you how to hide names on iPhone text messages. It's actually a very interesting and simple tutorial that works on any iPhone. So if you appreciate me making a video like this, you can give me a like. Each like helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is go over to your settings app and you want to go down to notifications. You want to click on notifications and you want to find messages. It's under AMP, so here it is, messages. The first thing is having alerts. If you remove the alerts like this, you want the names will be hidden when you received a message. But another way to do it is to click here, show previews. If you have it to never, it won't say who sent you a message and you won't see the message. When you have it when unlocked, you have a preview of the message on top of your screen right here. And if you have it on always, you even have it when your screen is locked. This is the first way to actually go about it. The second way is going over to your messages, clicking on the person that sent you a message, click on info, click on info again, create a new contact, and you can write something like hidden or something like this, and no one will know who that person is. So you can just hide the name by typing in just a few dots or something like this. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.